Namaste. This is Hardik, and welcome to the Healing Guided Meditation for Mind and Body Relaxation. Find a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down. Gently close your eyes. Take a deep breath in through your nose and exhale slowly through your mouth. Bring your body to a complete relaxing state and start by bringing your awareness to your body. Feel the weight of your body against the surface you are on. Notice any areas of tension or discomfort. With each breath, allow your body to relax deeper into a state of ease and comfort. Now, shift your focus to your breath. Take a few deep, cleansing breaths. And notice the natural rhythm of your breath as it flows in and out of your body. Feel the gentle rise and fall of your chest and abdomen. Just allow your breath to be smooth and steady. Imagine a soft healing light surrounding you. This light is warm, comforting, and filled with positive energy. As you continue to breathe deeply, visualize this healing light entering your body. With each inhale, spreading to every cell, nourishing and rejuvenating you from within. Take a moment to cultivate gratitude for your body and its incredible ability to heal. Reflect on all the ways your body supports you each day and silently thank it for its resilience and strength. Repeat these positive affirmations silently or out loud. My body is strong and resilient. My body is strong and resilient. My body is strong and resilient. I am deserving of good health and well-being. I am deserving of good health and well-being. I am deserving of good health and well-being. Every cell in my body radiates with vitality and healing energy. Every cell in my body radiates with vitality and healing energy. Every cell in my body radiates with vitality and healing energy. Let go of any negative thoughts, emotions, or tensions that may be weighing you down. With each exhale, release any stress, worry, or fear. Take a few moments to scan your body from head to toe. And pay attention to any area of discomfort or tension. As you identify these areas, imagine sending gentle waves of relaxation to the part, melting away any tightness or pain. Bring your awareness back to your breath. Take a few deep cleansing breaths, inhaling positivity and exhaling any remaining tension or negativity. Visualize yourself surrounded by a cocoon of healing energy, infusing every part of your being, renewing and revitalizing you. When you feel ready, slowly bring your awareness back to your present moment. Just observe yourself and your surroundings. Take a moment to thank yourself for taking this time for self-care and healing. Gently wiggle your fingers and toes. And whenever you feel comfortable, you can open your eyes. Thank you.